Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So for today's video, I wanted to give you guys a little mini review and a tutorial. If you're just here for the tutorial, I'll let you guys know when the tutorial starts, but if you're interested in what other things I got from insert name here, and if you're interested in my thoughts, then let's go ahead and get started. So this ponytail is called the Miya Ponytail, and I got the color mixed brown. This is so full and so thick that you honestly can't even see my hair underneath. I was kind of worried about that. I was afraid of my real hair coming through, but this is my real hair. The mixed brown matches my hair perfectly. I really like the texture of these extensions. I was afraid that it was going to be too sleek and too slippery like synthetic extensions usually are, but this has like a little bit of texture. I don't even know how to explain it. It's not like a wavy texture, but let me see if you guys can even tell. It has like this little wave to it, but it's so subtle that you can't even tell, but it makes the hair so fluffy and it looks so voluminous, and it's not heavy at all. Let me show you guys the other product that I love, and when I saw it I knew that I needed to have it. If anybody lives in a bun, this is for you. Right now when I put my hair in a bun, it just looks really sad. Sometimes I do add extensions into it. I just want a quick bun that isn't going to do a lot of damage so that when I take it out I don't have to brush through it, and this right here is the answer to all of that. So I just love this so much. It's so easy, so convenient. This one is called the SAMMY, and this is the brown mix as well. Next up is the Bella Ponytail, and this one is a lot shorter, and I don't really know what I was thinking because I have really long hair, but I kind of found a way to make it work. I got this brown mix wig because I want to cut my hair, but I'm afraid to commit, so I just decided to get a wig so I can play around whenever I feel like it. Of course, I also got a blonde one because I've always wanted to go blonde and go short. I just don't know if I want to put my hair through that again, but why not just save my hair from all of the stress? So yeah, I'll definitely be posting pictures on my Instagram. So if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not, and please hit the notification bell because, you know, with the whole YouTube algorithm, sometimes videos don't pop up. Sometimes people will ask me like, I want to see a tutorial, but I'm like, I did put a tutorial. So it'd be really nice if you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload, because I do plan on uploading more videos. That is it, and let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So this is the hair that I start out with. It looks crazy. My baby hairs are just insane. So you want to make sure your hair is brushed out and wet your hair, the top and underneath. I feel like that step is really crucial, and it really helps you create a much sleeker hairstyle. And also using a smoothing brush. This is just a Goody brand smoothing brush that I got from Target. So I like to put my hair up in like a rough bun just so that I have an idea of where I'm gonna put the ponytail, and then I like to use gel and apply it all over. And I do this first and then I go in and brush it again, and I like to do this so that it's much more smooth, and I keep going back and forth until I like how it looks. So I'm putting my hair up in a ponytail, and I feel like it just looks really sad. I want my hair to have more height, so this is a little trick that I learned from Chris Appleton, who does Kim Kardashian's hair, and I just added a much smaller elastic. You don't have to add a small elastic, you can add a regular one, but adding a second one just gives you that added height. So I'm taking the little clip or the little comb, and then I'm putting it into my ponytail, and then I'm just wrapping it around. And this did take me a few tries because my hair kept getting caught in the Velcro, but it just takes a few tries and you'll get the hang of it. So spraying hairspray helps give it that sleek look, especially for this hairstyle. If you're just going for a messy ponytail, then you don't have to do all that, but I wanted a really sleek look, so I added some hairspray, and I just love the height and how full my hair looks. Now for my baby hairs, I feel like this step just changes everything. I just cannot not do my baby hairs anymore. So you really have to just practice and learn what's best for your hairline, because everybody is so different and there's so many ways to do it. This little brush that I'm using, I got it at 7 Mile, but you can find it on Amazon or any beauty supply store. Alright, so this is the finished look. Thank you all so much for watching, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. Bye!